Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this ASUS. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, choose Open. Now from this app you can learn all about your ASUS dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!